Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on OnePlus Nord 5. Let's begin. And we can begin with simply checking if we have our screen rotation enabled. We can do that by expanding our control center twice, and here you can see that our auto rotate is not enabled. When it's turned off, whenever we try to open an application that actually supports both modes. So let's go with maybe the calculator. We can see that, well, we cannot really rotate it. We do have an option for it if we click button manually, which is a great feature, but it's not automatic in any way. However, if we enable this, just like that, now you will notice that rotation is working again, without any issues whatsoever. So first you want to make sure that this is enabled, otherwise, yeah, the feature won't work for you. You have it enabled, brah. However, if for some reason it's still not working for you, I would also simply advise you to reboot your device. You can do that by pressing the power button and volume up button, and then swiping to the up restart button. Why? Well, I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you reboot your phone, you're not only rebooting the software, but also hardware as well. So that's an incredibly nice feature, and it allows you to, for example, reboot the sensors or gyroscope, which is directly responsible for screen rotation. And it's also a pretty good habit to, just reboot your phone from time to time. And lastly, as a little bit of fury, not every application supports double modes. Like the calculator I showed you, you can use it like that or like that, but most games, for example, aren't like that. The best example for this is probably Clash Royale, with its locked mode of being portrait mode. You cannot play Clash Royale in landscape mode, and the same things can be said about Call of Duty Mobile. It cannot be played in the portrait mode. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.